full power. Static RPM. Airspeed sa line. 45. 55, sorry.
8805 lang final.
That's 8. 865, big reference point. 303 airborne. Request caution departure to Magalang.
603 report Magalang.
Port Magalang, 303. Time has 2:43. Come on na.
32 turning long final. 83 to report airborne. Report airborne 832.
Tower Southeast 8811, good afternoon.
None, go ahead.
8811, 6.5 nautical miles to VOR. Establish on the island.
8811, say intention.
Touch and go, 8811.
8811, report airborne. Correction, cleared touch and go 02 right. Wind is 090 at 7.
Touch and go, 02 right, 8811.
8806, please confirm for clear for touch and go 02 left. 8806, clear touch and go 02 left. 8805 to men.
Center, that's clear.
Clear for touch and go 02 left.
852.
To report base.
Tower 3603, just past Pangalang, now proceeding to Concepcion. 1000 feet.
3603 traffic from Tarlac to Concepcion, maintain VFR.
We'll be on the lookout for the traffic.
8812 traffic, Magalang to Concepcion, 1000 feet.
Copy traffic, sir, from Magalang to Concepcion.
And we are approaching Concepcion, sir, 8812. 8812 report Magalang, say altitude.
Port Magalang, 1,500 feet, sir. 8812.
Roger. 8806 now airborne. 8806 report base 02 left.
Full report base E6.
8811 standby left turn.
Request to join the pattern of Omni for full stop.
8811 Roger, make a right turn join crosswind 02 Omni.
Okay, PK right turn for crosswind 02 Omni 8811. 3570 base 02 left for full stop.
7010 knots, clear to land 02 left.
Clear to land 3570, clear to left.
8805 traffic, airborne 02 right, making up.
8806 left now, receive traffic permit. Request to make 180 side approach.
8806 make a normal pattern, Airbus will depart 02 right.
We make a normal pattern, 8806.
3602, turning white base, for 02 Omni touch and go. 3602 Roger, Fort airborne. Report airborne 3602. Left Foxtrot 5, Delta Foxtrot 2.
Left Foxtrot 5 Delta Foxtrot 2, 3570.
8816 sir, approaching upon this time at 3000, leaving frequency sir, good day. 8816, good day.
Left center, right clear, next thing is 46. 0580, turning left on Foxtrot 7.
0580 Roger, cross 02 left, line up and wait, 02 right.
Cross 02 left, point 02 right, 0580.
8811, turning base.
8811 Roger, report landed.
Port landed 8811.
Tower 3603, just past Concepcion, now proceeding to Saragossa, request to climb 1,500.
3603, maintain VFR traffic, Concepcion to Magalang 1,500.
The visual
3602, revise full stop initially, Airbus will depart 02 right, report landed. 3602 revise, make a full stop, report landed. 3602 tower.
4.
Tower 8, needs to be airborne. 332 Roger.
8812, approach Magalang, 1,500 feet.
8812 to report Feliciano.
Report Feliciano, 8812.
8805, dealing traffic long final.
0580, entering for 0 to right.
580 Roger, line up 0 to right.
0.
86 na 1 base. 8806, continue approach. We'll continue approach, 8806. To confirm landed. 3602 on appoint, airborne.
For 8.
8805 turning base.
805, report airborne.
Report on airborne, 8805.
Turn. Turning 100. Okay. 812 turning base for full stop, here to Omni.
812 report landed.
Landed 8812.
8832 will extend downwind for traffic separation.
832 report turning base.
Left.
For turning base, 8832.
Here, heading 100. Over Zaragoza, 1,500 feet. Now proceeding to Santa Rosa.
3603 report Santa Rosa.
For Santa Rosa, 3603.
332 report turning base.
Report on base, 8832. 8832 turning base.
332 Roger, report airborne.
Report airborne, 8832.
What a beautiful
8805
day.
Pampanga,
Whoa, Alliance.
I'll call you back for air departure.
Right.
05 Roger.
100. 35. Okay, wind. Oh, that's how I feel when engine quits.
Eight 5 report airborne.
Report airborne, 8805.
332 make a short approach for 0 to Omni. Report commencing 180 side approach. Traffic Airbus on final, 02 right.
Copy that, ma'am. We'll make a short approach, 832.
Departure 7203, good afternoon, establish on the Alice, runway 02 right, 16 Demi.
Air 7203, continue approach, 02 right, report 8 miles.
Welcome 8 miles, continue approach, Air 7203.
602, expect to follow 8832 to make a short approach for 02 Omni. For full stop, report landed.
Copy, ma'am.
806, request position now.
Power off approach.
806, Roger, wind 090, 6 knots, 02 left, clear touch and go.
Clear for touch and go, 02 left, 8806. Right, clear, over. 3603, over Santa Rosa, 1,500 feet, now proceeding to Candaba.
603, report Candaba.
Report Candaba, 603. Setting Y, 178.
Navigational downward now.
3602, Roger, report commencing, short approach.
We're about to make a short approach, 3602. 8805 airport.
805, report downwind.
With the report downwind, 8805.
Tower 3603, just past Santa Rosa, now proceeding to Caban, 1,500 feet.
3603, report Gapan.
Port Caban, 3603. Turning base 8806.
With 806, turn base now, additional traffic, citation on base 402 right.
With on base now, computer traffic 8806. 8805, finishing orbit, ma'am. Request to join down in 02 Omni.
805, Roger, join downwind 02 Omni, report base.
Report base 8805.
Now proceeding to San Miguel, 1,500 feet.
3603, report San Miguel.
Port San Miguel, 3603. 8806 on base.
806, Roger, make a full stop initially for 02 left, and report final.
Clear for full stop 02 left, 8806.
Air 7203, turn first left.
Turn first left, Air 7203.
Air 7203, hold short 02 left.
Short 02 left, Air 7203.
806, wing cam 02 left, clear to land.
Confirm post 8806.
Firm, clear to land 02 left.
Clear to land 02 left, 8806. Clark Tower 6897, East of Araya, 2,000 feet.
805, turn base now for 02 Omni. Station calling last second.
Clark Tower 6897, over East of Araya.
68907, report leaving frequency.
Will report when leaving frequency, 6897.
To report base.
32 will report base.
report airborne.
Center, air, 25.
India 74, taxi straight ahead, left Alpha, right Foxtrot 7.
Foxtrot 7, India 74.
8806, wind 080, 9 knots, 02 left, cleared for takeoff.
8806, now cleared for takeoff.
Just past San Miguel, 1,500 feet, now proceeding to Candaba.
3603, report Candaba.
Port Candaba, 3603.
Commencing 180 side approach.
805, Roger. Report airborne leading traffic on short final.
And visually the leading traffic 8805. Ma'am, landed and walking safe.
805, advise when ready for another departure.
Good advice, 8805. 8806, shout please.
806, Roger. Wind calm, 02 left, clear touch and go.
Clear for touch and go, 02 left, 8806. Tax Tower, RPC 8816, good afternoon.
816, go ahead.
8816, ma'am, approaching Tarlac this time, request for landing instructions, 02 Omni.
816, KNH 1008, runway 02, right in use. Correction, 02 Omni news, cross final approach of 20 left and right beyond 15 miles. Report Conception.
Report Conception, ma'am, and we'll cross beyond 15 miles of final approach, 20 left and right.
Star Papa Hotel 102, 8.5 miles, inbound 3 down, lock full stop. Hotel 102, continue approach, 02 right, report 5 miles. For 5 miles, continue approach, Papa Hotel 102.
Tower 3603, over Candaba, now proceeding to Mexico, 1,500.
3603, report Mexico.
Port Mexico, 3603.
8832, initial downwind. Dosing point 02, Omni, request for 86 clearance, 6,000.
8842, Roger, KNH 1008, depart BFR, expect IFR clearance upon airborne. Traffic, Cessna on final, 02 Omni.
Traffic on final and will depart airborne 84.
Papa Hotel 102, turn next left, cross 02 left.
Papa Hotel 132 will be clear 02 right next left. Tower 1805, number 2, holding point 02 Omni, area for departure and request present wind conditions, ma'am.
8805, wind now 060 at 7 knots.
Thank you, ma'am, and standing by departure 1805.
Roger, report airborne after 8842 and latest KNH 1008.
8805, airborne after 1842, 8805.
Traffic Papa 3 will cross 02 left.
We'll continue approach for 02 left, we'll extend downwind 80. Tower, Papa Hotel 102 is clear, 02 right, be holding short, 02 left.
Papa Hotel 102 cross 02 left, taxi straight ahead, left on Alpha, right Foxtrot 7.
Papa Hotel 102 cross 02 left on Alpha, right on Foxtrot 7.
Tower 3603, just past Mexico, now proceeding to Magana. 1,500 feet.
603, Roger, report Magalang.
Port Magalang, 3603.
232, airborne for full stop landing.
332, report base.
Report base, 8832.
806, continue approach, 402 left.
We continue approach 402 left, 88. Turning base.
332, report airborne.
For RBC 8816, conception 15.
816, report Magalang. Traffic Cessna from Mexico proceeding Magalang 1,500.
Traffic from Mexico proceeding to Magalang 1,500 and call you back Magalang, ma'am, 8816.
603, request position now. Three request position.
Approximately 3 nautical miles south of Magalang.
3603, Roger. Traffic Cessna from Concepcion proceeding Magalang 1,500. Maintain VFR.
We'll be on the lookout for the traffic. 3603.
8816, ma'am, will initially climb to 2,000, report over Magalang.
816, Roger.
So 8832 on short final for full stop landing.
832, report landed.
Report landed, 8832. 8806 now, we're
8806, Roger.
8805 turning base.
805, report airborne.
Full report on airborne 8805. Ma'am, request for local QNH.
QNH 1008.
1008, ma'am, 8816.
Left, right, center. 3603 over Magalang, 1,400 feet. Request sending instruction to Omni.
3603, report Feliciano.
Port Feliciano, 3603.
8806 now on downwind.
806, Roger. Report base.
Report on base, 8806. 8816, ma'am, over Magalang, 2,000.
816, hold present position. Stand by for further instructions.
Holding at Magalang, ma'am, 8816. 8805 airborne for 180 side approach.
805, report commencing.
Report commencing 8805.
806, wind 0708 knots, 02 left, clear, touch and go.
8806 now on base.
806, clear, touch and go, 02 left. News, cross final approach, 20 left and right, report Concepcion.
Unit 1008, unit Omni News and will report Concepcion. Clear to cross final approach off runway 20 left and right. Thank you, ma'am. 8806.
3603, request position now.
Approaching Feliciano, ma'am.
3603, Roger, join downwind 02 Omni, report established.
So join that wind, 3603.
8816, continue approach, report Feliciano.
8816, continue approach, report Feliciano. 805 commencing 180 side approach.
805, report airborne.
Report airborne 805.
3603, establish downwind.
603, report base.
Call you back.
805, clearing the active map and we'll call you back for another departure.
805, Roger.
8816, ma'am, Feliciano this time.
816, join downwind 02 Omni, report established.
Join downwind, call you back established, ma'am, 8816.
3603, turning base for 0 some people stop.
603, report landed.
Port landed, 3603. Tower 3603, clear of the active closing flight plan. Thank you and good day.
3603, good day.
Okay, after landing, flaps the truck, car bits go.